everyone, my name is Yamindri Perera, an interior design student graduating this year. My final major project is Ecclesia, a 21st century Catholic church. Increasing focus through prayer and meditation, providing a sense of purpose, emotional regulation, repression of uncivilized behavior, and bringing people together, creating communities and charity are some of the benefits of organized religion. However, in the face of revelations of abuse, cover-ups, compelling hostility toward diversity, many young adults and millennials are becoming disenchanted with organized religions and moving away from organized religions and considering themselves religiously unaffiliated. Among organized religions that are losing adherence, the Roman Catholic Church is at the forefront, seeing a large reduction in its membership as well as clergy. There is therefore a requirement for a renewed Catholic Church that is open and welcoming and in line with the laws of the current times. Pope Francis is leading the way for this change, condoning the use of artificial contraception under certain circumstances, authorizing priests to forgive repentant women who have had abortions, instructing priests to welcome Catholics who have had divorces and have been married, making the process easier to annul defunct marriages, expressing the possibility of same-sex civil unions, and promoting a synodal church devoid of clerical oligarchy, as well as a firm commitment to protect the environment. Ecclesia, therefore, has been designed as a response for this need for a renewed Catholic Church for the 21st century, a church that receives anyone who have judgment or condemnation and places the love of Christ above canons and doctrines and traditions. It is to be a space that is participatory in nature and environmentally conscious. The proposed site for the project is the Holy Trinity Church in Aquileia. Since it is important to look back into the past to understand why what is happening now is happening, what socioeconomic, cultural, and political causes have affected the current status quo, I started by reading the book Decoding Nicaea by Paul Pavo, in which the overarching theme was looking back at the early church to understand how Christianity changed following the Council of Nicaea in 325 AD. Therefore, I did a deep dive into the early church, the formation, the functions, art and architecture to derive inspiration to design Ecclesia. Ecclesia is the term that Jesus called the church, which in Greek means the congregation of the called. The accommodation areas of Ecclesia is aligned with the accommodation areas of the early house churches with the four main functions: worship, education, fellowship, and service. As the early church insisted that the best temple, God's sanctuary, is the community of the faithful, they placed much more importance of how the space functioned for the community over the grandiousness of the building. So the design includes large and small group worship spaces as well as learning spaces, as well as spaces for fellowship, for the community to come together and engage in community service activities together as a church. There's also a counseling space included to help assist people with their day-to-day struggles in addition to just a confessional. The spaces have been designed in a way that it flows from one space to another, one function to another, in a way that creates connections between each space. Wide apertures have been placed all throughout the perimeter of the building so that cool air carries through from the lake into the building. It would help lower energy costs. Natural and reclaimed materials have been used all throughout the design, and plants have been incorporated to create connections with nature. It is a vision of a church that is very different to what exists today, and one that is focused on community and spreading the love of Christ above